So as you all know, one of the things we review the most on this channel are actually keycaps, and there's nothing I enjoy more than to bring a new keycap maker out to your attention so that you all can get to know him and you have more choices whenever you decide to actually go with an artisan or resin keycap or custom keycap or whatever it is that you may be looking for. So this particular keycap maker is based in the United Kingdom. I saw some of the pictures of the keycaps they make and I believe they're gonna be really nice. I think they're just starting out and they're trying to put themselves out there. So by the time I'm done with this video, hopefully the keycaps are up for sale. Either way, I will leave the link in the description down below if you're interested. So if you're new to the channel, we unbox and review random stuff you didn't know you needed. My name is Sky, and without further ado, let's get into this video. So as I mentioned, this keycap maker is still something that's on the works, so everything may not be polished or as polished as we're used to with other keycap makers. So we have these 4 little cubes here. They feel like plastic or maybe 3D printed. The keycap maker is called BEETLECAP Designs or Beetle Designs. So let's open this one up and see what's in here. Oh, and it kind of comes glued to the Cherry MX stem right there. That's very neat. So it doesn't move around. That's very cool. That's a first. And let's take a look at the keycap itself in detail. So as you can see, it kind of has like this stone finish. And it does feel like a mixture of plastic there. Kind of like plastic, and this is definitely a resin design. Very cool. It's kind of like those river tables. I'm not sure if you all seen them around. So that's really what it looks like, but it gives it like this kind of stone finish. Even though it's plastic, it just feels like a marble piece or something like that. So let's open the other ones up. So you have to be careful when opening these up. So as you can see, these are like maybe 3D printed and it kind of came off. I mean, I don't really care to store them since I'm gonna put them on the keyboard, but just in case you do. And this one here is kind of like a slimmer river than the other one. It's kind of like just one line. Very cool looking as well. It's also black with a dark blue resin on it. And this one here is the same design, but instead of blue, the resin inside is gold looking. So very neat. I really love the kind of like the finish they have. The plastic itself feels a little bit thin, but it feels very solid. So I can't wait to put these on the keyboard and see how they look and how they sound. And this is the last one. So as you can see, the design is different on all of these, and I think that's what makes this really cool. So it's kind of like a random design, and they all look like rivers. And they look very nice. So if you have this kind of like black and blue theme going on, this would be a really nice looking keycap on it. So remember at the bottom your Cherry MX stem, and if you can see in there, there's the letters B and C there in the corner, which is BEETLECAPs. And let's put these on the keyboard and see how they look. Alright, so I'm going to put these keycaps right here on my number 7, 8, 9, and 0. Alright, so as you can all see, I just put them in. regular keycap. This is a metal keycap. This is an Artisan. And these are the new keycaps. So if you can all see, it looks very nice, kind of like a continuous river right there. That actually looks very, very cool. The gold one is a little bit translucent there. It looks kind of nice. So let me turn off the lights to see if they all actually light up. So they are actually a bit translucent, as you can all see. Very, very nice. So I definitely love how this looks. You all let me know your thoughts. Alright everyone, I really hope you all enjoyed that video. That was it for the BEETLECAP Designs keycaps. I really believe the design that they actually used, it's very nice looking. I like how unique it looks with the lighting, as I showed you all in the video. So when you grab this keycap in your hand, it's not going to feel like an extremely high quality artisan resin keycap that you pay $50 for. This is actually a portion of the price. They go for about $20 US, I think $25 US. They're plastic resin. They look very nice. They're well made. They're starting out now, and I really see a future for this keycap maker if they continue to go down this path, and I hope they come up with nicer, better designs in the future. This one indeed looks very good, and I hope you all enjoyed it. So thank you BEETLECAP Designs for sending the keycaps out for review. If you're new to the channel, remember to hit that like and subscribe button if you enjoyed the video. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much. It means the world to me. And remember everyone, be kind to one another.